Kicking off our list is a water bottle that's not only reusable, but it filters your water too using the power of plants, the BU Water.
You simply put one of these kiln-dried bamboo stalks into the water bottle, and then the tiny pores take out any impurities.
This filtration technique may be centuries old, but bamboo is the perfect material for the 21st century. It grows extremely quickly, meaning you need less land, making it one of the most sustainable crops.
Once you're finished with your biodegradable filter, you can crush it up and put it into your garden. The nutrients released from this will help your plants grow, keeping your clematis looking very healthy.
Next up, a water bottle that keeps you entertained as well as refreshed, the Aquio.
It's a water bottle with a speaker attached. I mean, what more do you want?
The Aquio lasts up to 8 hours on one charge and holds half a litre of water, which is kept insulated by a double wall of steel.
You can even connect it to your phone and make calls.
Hello, Speedy Taxi.
Oh, hello there. Can you pick me up from the park? I'm absolutely knackered.
And if you want to pack light, you can detach the speaker. Voila!
Do you like to stay hydrated but don't like the taste of boring old water? Then I know's the one for you. Yes, in at number 3, we have the AirUp.
While you're just drinking water, the aroma pods trick your brain into thinking you're tasting different flavours through scent alone.
Do you get it now? Know's the one. Funny, right? Anyone? You just pop one of these little pods on the top of your water bottle and you are ready to go. They come in 20 different flavours and they're suitable for vegans. And best of all, it's 0 calories. I'm sure you know the feeling when you reach inside your bag, pick up an old water bottle, open it up and realise that it's stinking.
Well, if you're tired of cleaning your bottle, I may have an alternative.
The WakeUp self-cleaning UV water bottle.
This little beauty uses UVC light technology in the lid. This cleans the inner surfaces of the bottle, killing 99.99% bacteria.
Fresh as a daisy. Not only that, it also has double-walled stainless steel, which means it keeps your cold drinks cold for up to 12 hours. Or, if you're more of a tea lover, you can put that inside and it'll keep it warm for up to 4 hours. Also, the battery life on this lasts 1 month off just one charge.
It's the time you've been sat on the edge of your seat for. Get ready, ladies and gents. It's my number 1 techie water bottle.
It's called the Hydrate Spark. Good boy, Fenton. And what's really special about it is that it actually reminds you when you should be drinking, because let's face facts, it's very easy to get distracted when you're out and about. Fenton? Fenton! Fenton, get down from there!
Keeping hydrated helps regulate body temperature, prevent infections, and studies have shown it can even improve our sleep and mood.
You can connect with friends to help stay motivated. I've actually linked up with Mr. Bentley to make sure that he's staying hydrated. Oh, time to go again.